Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update systemd timers instead of cron detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin updating systemd timers, ensure you have the necessary permissions to modify timer files. Identify the existing cron jobs that you wish to replace with systemd timers. Create a new directory for your custom timers if it doesn't already exist. Navigate to the directory where you'll store your systemd timer units. Open a terminal and create a new timer unit file with the .timer extension. Name your timer file according to the task it will handle. In the open timer file, define the timer properties. Set the on calendar directive to schedule your timer. Specify the desired frequency, such as daily, weekly, or specific times. Save the changes to the timer file. Next, create a corresponding service file with the .service extension. The service file should define the actual task to be executed. Include directives like description, execstart, and any required environment variables. Save the service file alongside your timer file. After creating both files, enable the timer using the systemcl-enable command. Start the timer with the systemcl-start command. Check the status of your timer using systemcl-status to confirm it's active. To view logs related to your timer, use the journalclu command followed by your timer's name. Make any necessary adjustments to the timer or service configuration as needed. Remember to reload the systemd manager configuration after making changes. Use systemcl-daemon reload to ensure systemd recognizes your updates. Test your timer to confirm that it runs at the specified intervals. Monitor the execution of your task to verify it performs as intended. Document any changes made for future reference and maintenance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.